Hey beauties, welcome back to WhatKarenLoves. So today we're going to be doing July favorites, kind of, I guess you would say. Because, why not? There are some favorites that I love and there's some that I do not like. So it's kind of like a mix. Well, honestly, there's one product in here that I hate, so. So with a further ado, let's get on into it. This look is from this right here, which I'm gonna be honest right now, okay, I'm kind of in the mix of it right now of still trying to create looks with it, but this look took me forever to even get because like it wants, I don't know what it is, if it's just me, but like I can never get it to apply to my eye without it being not like wanting to attach to my eyelid. Maybe it's just me, maybe it's the color, I don't know. So the color I did was Whipsy, and then I did a little bit of the Glam and then the Ethereal. I think that's how you say it, but so far, I mean, I do like it. I did try the mod before I did this look, and that was difficult too. So I don't know, maybe I'll still explore it and see how I can get it to be more pliable. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I did get it to work eventually, as you can see. But I do love it, and I am intrigued to still give it a try and hoping for the best that I will love it. And absolutely can't wait to try it. Maybe I need to like apply some to my eyes, maybe it's one of those type things. But I mean, there's so many beautiful colors, so I have to keep trying with it. Okay. Next favorite is this lovely Bare Minerals Dirty Detox. Must recommend. Gets really into that dirty skin and you can feel it, and it is really good, and it makes your skin feel amazing after it, and it feels really deeply cleaned, and I really recommend this. So if you have not tried it, you should definitely try it. If I can find it, I'll try to link it. All right. Next on the list is the Lily Lashes. We tried that in the unboxing video, and I really love it. So can't wait to try it. Keep using it, I mean to say. So I didn't put any on today, but definitely do like it though. So alright. The next favorite is this guy right here, which is the the M Green Grass CBD head to toe cream. Love this. If I can find it, I will definitely try to link it if I remember. But anyways, this has helped my skin sometimes, and especially how dry and hydration it really does need sometimes. Definitely recommend this, and it feels good, so can't go wrong. Oh, shoot. Okay. Next on the list, which I don't know why I'm to the bottom of it, but I just not noticed that. Maybe it's to where I put it. I don't know. Oh, wow. Okay. Anyways, the next favorite is this lovely Daisy Love from Mac Jacobs, to say it. But it smells amazing. I don't know what happens at the bottom of it, but I just don't understand. I don't know. Weird. Anyways, but this smells amazing, and I do love it, and it's really pretty. So like I said, I don't know, maybe it's just from where it sits on the counter sometimes. Maybe it scratches it, I don't know, I have no idea, but it's still really beautiful and it smells amazing. So, and it was on sale, so can't, I didn't get it from Sephora, so but it was on sale from where I was at, and I couldn't pass up that considering how much these things are. So again, the next on the list of favorites is this. I'm so gonna butcher this, so we're just gonna, it's called the Melin Disease Recovery Cream. Oh, love this on the skin, feels amazing, helps with the dryness and the crappy skin I have. Next on the list of skin things is this hangover or makeup I showed yesterday. Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 refreshing primer and setting spray, which is amazing. I love it so far. And then lastly is a non-favorite. I told you guys that I would review this, and I'll tell you how I felt about it. It was in the BoxyCharm, as you guys know. It's the Cali Skin foaming foam mask, and honestly, just the first use of it, I could feel my skin having that sensitivity feel and the irritation and the not good feel. And the smell is, I don't know, the perfume that why do you, first and foremost, if you're making skincare, please do not put perfume in it. Like, that is no, don't do that, okay? It's not good for the skin. Please do not do that. Okay, if you're gonna make perfume, okay? But do not put it in the skincare. It is really, really bad, especially for people who have sensitive skin. I do, and immediately I knew it was gonna do it too, because I knew that how sensitive my skin was, and how it is with anything that has anything related to smell, or like has sensitive like things, and I knew that this would do it, considering as it has that in the ingredient. So, like I said, hit and miss. Like, I didn't feel like it was doing anything either. That's the thing too. Like, when you're like using hold on, I got this good old fashioned one up here. Oops, sorry, the bottle is breaking. Okay. The bottle fell off one of my things and has been broken ever since. But this guy is an example of one of the things I have liked. And then I also like the sensitive skincare as well. And like I said, the Dirty Detox too is amazing. That has definitely felt like it's doing something. It gets really deep into your skin. Like, you know, I can't, like, you know, I don't want to bash on, but like, you know, it's just like when you read it, some of the things on there is fragrance and the smell is horrible. And I don't really like this one either, you know? So it's just like you have to like reread some of the things that you buy because you don't even know what's in them. But this one though, it felt like it didn't even do anything though. Like, this one actually feels like it's cleaning, you know? It feels like it's doing something, you know? Whereas this one, I felt like I was putting on nothing, and like it literally it was just like, it was really irritating my skin. This one doesn't irritate it. And you know, it's like, it's just, it just, I mean, this one is a fragrance. Like, it has like a fragrance in it, like masking for fragrance. Whereas this one, is just ridiculous. I'm trying to read it because the bubbles was all jacked. But it's just like, I don't understand why people want to put stuff like that in your skincare stuff. I think I have the box somewhere in here. I'm not sure what I did with it. Do something with it. Oh, there it is. Let's see. But like I said, it's just, I don't know. I just don't like it. It's just, not to mention, you can hardly like read like on the actual bottle. You have to like it's hard to tell it. But I'm going to get the box. It's hard to like see the font very good. So you go onto the box, which I have kept, and then you reread. So this has like perfume, like it has like in the thing, whereas this one, it just says, you know, like masking fragrance or whatever. But like I said, like it doesn't feel like it's doing anything though. And like it feels horrible on the skin, and it's really, really irritating to me. Maybe it's just me. Like I can find hit and misses. Like this one's not like my ultimate favorite. I don't use it every day. I use geez, what is that one called? It's Sensitive Skin. And that one's my every today go skincare wash. And it's oil free, I believe, as well. So that one has been my most favorite skincare like clean for my face. This one is right behind it because like I feel, you know, it really feels good to get deep into the skin, you know? It feels amazing. But anyways, now that I talked about that, I think that's all I forgot about this guy. This is another one I wanted to add to it. I didn't know where it was. Alright, this is a favorite as well, which is the Too Faced Sweet Peach. This smells amazing. Okay, anyways, that is all I have you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it wasn't very much. I wanted to do a makeup tutorial video, but like I said, my skin, and not to mention, I need to clean my brushes. So, because like, I don't know what's going on with them, but I just need to clean them. So I need to clean that. So most of this look was mostly, you know, trying to get it, you know, it already on anyway. So, from other brushes. So I need to clean my whole set of other things. So that is one reason why I haven't did it. And I need more stuff. So, you know, it is what it is. But anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video. And also, there should be a new blog post down below in the description below. As far as I know, there should be. I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about. But also, regards of the Twitter post, I just want to say thank you guys so much for hearing me out. And I hope that I came out respectfully, and I hope that you know that I will support you no matter what. And I'm here, and I thank you for supporting What Karen Loves. And in regards, as this is a video, in regards to the beauty community, I feel like it should focus more on, like, you know, the love of beauty, you know, the love of creating looks, of love of, you know, like haul or, you know, makeup tutorials, or just makeup for once, you know, without less drama this fall, I feel. I don't know, but, you know, it is what it is. You can't get away from it forever, so, but you can always hope, right? We need more kindness in the world. But anyways, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go follow me on What Karen Loves on Twitter. And anyways, I'll see you guys on the next videos. And until then, hope you guys have a great day. And go check out the blog down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, hope you guys have a great day. That's all. Bye.